Start the intro. Start the intro.
Your tutorial. Good evening, everyone. My name's Christopher, and this is Gabriel.
Welcome to the Gabester Cooking Show.
We're making brownies today. I'm going to preheat the oven.
Alright, let me see.
Wait a second. Let go. Yeah, you read it.
I'm the expert here, damn it.
Alright.
Alright. It says heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for shiny metal pan, or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for dark non-stick or glass pan. Greasy bottom of pan. So these are the ingredients. We need 1/4 of a cup of water. We need 1/3 a cup of vegetable oil and 1 egg to make brownies. Oh yeah, we also got some new cooking ware too.
Yeah.
Also got some new cooking ware.
What's it called? Capelon. Capelon. #1. Woo! Well, not #1, but. Alright, get the bowl out. You can mix it.
Which one? Big bowl?
Do them dishes there.
Wait. I need to get big
Do it
bowl
right
out.
in here.
Where's big bowl?
I got the pot. Do them dishes.
Oh.
You gotta be on point. What do you? No.
Yeah, you do. This is my cooking show.
You suck.
So here we have the brownie mix. Give me 1 second. So here, you have to sit there. Make sure if you want to do this yourself, make sure to have
That
parental.
goes in that bowl.
Make sure to have parental supervision if you want to make your own brownies.
In the pot.
Smell this, viewers. That's some good cooking chocolate.
Brownie. Knucklehead.
Brownies.
Now throw it out in the trash.
This is the stuff.
The brownie mix. Yeah, while I'm doing the dishes.
Now what do we need to do?
Leave the box. What's the next ingredient?
1/4 of a cup of water, I think.
And you need a measuring cup. Where's the measuring cup?
And here. Put
What do
it
you
to
need?
1/4 of a cup of water. Right there. Or 2 ounces. That's one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here's 1/4 cup of water going into the pan. That is it. That is what it looks like right now, ladies and gentlemen. And the next thing, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Over there.
This,
Yeah.
we don't have a lot of vegetable oil.
See where it says 1/3, do it right. Don't be looking like an idiot on camera.
Is this good?
Is it on 1/3?
Yeah, look. No, I don't know. Look at it.
You check it. Well,
No,
you
see if
think
it
it's...
is. Because, I mean, I did take measuring class in school, but
Oh, right.
I feel like that's exactly 1/3.
Oh, good enough to me.
Stop.
Oh, whoa. Sorry, chef.
Yeah, Chef Gabe's up in here, but he's just my assistant / dad / superintendent. Next is 1 egg.
I got it, chef.
Give me 1 egg and then I'll crack it and. Chef Gabester?
Here, chef. Yeah,
Thank you.
sir.
Last time this exploded, so. Come on, break.
No white shell in there, Joy Boy. Everything go in here. Oh, go ahead. There.
Oh, God, that's hot.
Oh, it's not. I'll be a bitch.
Alright. Here. Alright, I need to mix
next
it.
is mix it all up. Wait, move the oil, put the oil back. Did you put the cap back on it?
Yep.
Mix her
Film
up.
me doing this.
Mix it up.
Film me doing this.
Oh, hold on. You gotta do the pan, man. Shit. Gotta do the pan, man. It's yours, boy. Just listen to me. Slip at the back, Jack. Play new stand, man. Don't need any car roll. Just listen to me. What the hell is it?
Here, no, I got it. Here.
Flip it
Listen.
around.
Here. Here you go.
There you go.
Just click that little camera if you want to flip it around back to yourself.
Alright. And there he is. Hard at work. No wonder why. Look at them muscles. No wonder why he's so heavy. He's making all these brownies. Slow down. Fold it all in. You're supposed to fold it in nice and neat. You gotta get all them lumps out. See all them lumps? It's gotta come out. Here, I'll show you. Here, you film me doing it. I'll show you how you get the lumps out.
Oh my god, my arm's jacked up, boys.
Oh, you piss. See, look at the tray left in there.
Stop moving it.
Oh, they're chunks. They might be chunks of chocolate. I think that they are chunks.
That's even better.
That's chunk. Yeah. It is chocolate.
It's a cream chocolate chunk.
Hey, read how long it bakes for.
300. A heat oven for 350 degrees. Doesn't say how long it bakes for.
Yeah, it'll fix on there. Fix the phone. Set the camera up.
Can I eat it? Can I eat some? Here, you read this. Can I eat some of this?
Find how long first.
Yeah.
Yeah, but find how long first.
It doesn't say it.
Yes, it does. It's
I don't
gotta
see
say
it.
on it. Take a look. Get down here.
Bake time. 37 to 40
We got an
minutes.
8-inch by 8-inch pan, or a 9-inch by 9-inch pan.
So 31 minutes to 34 minutes.
Step out.
Alright. So, listen, ladies and gentlemen, this might be the end of me. I'm about to die from a raw egg. Because they're what?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
Here, you get
No,
to
I got
lift
it, I
this.
got it.
Wait, after you. Let me put this in here. Move.
Oh.
I didn't mean it like that. Sorry, chef.
It's okay.
Don't lick it yet. Chef.
I think I wasted some. Wait, I think it's you.
Leave it, they can see it.
I know, but...
Uh,
Yeah. Oh my god. Dudes, that tastes so bad. Ugh.
so bad. What, rank?
Dude, that...
No way. That's good shit, man. You're insane.
Oh yeah, I also had an egg cheese omelet this morning with toast. And he had a He-Man breakfast with home-style fries, and I had home-style fries too.
Home fried.
Yeah. You got 3 things of pineapple? 4? You got 3 things of pineapple pudding. My dad's messed up, boys.
That was on sale.
You didn't get the watermelon though.
We got a whole watermelon right there.
Oh.
Duh, I was gonna get watermelon now, remember. That was absolutely out of this world. Don't put spit in it.
I'm not spitting in it.
What the hell's the matter with you? Bonehead.
So you have to put this over.
Wait, is it up to temperature?
I don't know.
Open the door. Is it hot in there?
No, barely.
Close it. Turn it up to 400.
It's at 350.
Turn it up to 400.
That's 400, boys.
Full throttle, 400, Captain.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know this is a cooking show, but I'm going to show you something that we got. It's a brand new couch.
Oh.
Also, put an Xbox. But it's a brand new couch.